Hello friend, welcome to JaiTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add any widget at your lock screens or home screens. It's a very easy thing to do, but if you don't remember it or forget it, then watch this full video and after that you will easily fix this problem. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, go to your settings. Now scroll it up until you see a option wallpapers. Simply tap at wallpapers. Now tap at customize. Appears my screen, you can see my widgets. Simply tap at any widget. Now remove any of the widget and you can see down there all the widgets. Now if you want any widget like Snapchat or TikTok, simply tap at them. Now tap at any widget to add. Now tap at done. And like this you can easily add your widgets at your lock screens. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.